Balos Group was established in 1999, which specializes in kitchen cabinets, wardrobe, bathroom cabinets, and other home furniture. We are the dream house solution provider who offer exceptional design and professional services for the private house project and the real estate project. Our factory is in Panyu district, Guangzhou, with more than 2,000 square meters for the production line. The production line machines are imported from Germany, Homang. Our particle board, plywood, OSB board, and American solid wood raw material are environmentally friendly standard and can reach the European standard. The production line is including board cutting profile, CNC edge branding, CNC drill hole profile. After these processes, we will have quality control. Each cabinet will be assembled to check the quality, and if there's any problem, it will be sent back to the last step. Our employees work very hard and pack the goods properly to make sure the package is strong. Balos Group has offered solutions for over 100 families and exported goods to over 113 countries. Our target is to make the dream house a reality for each of our clients. Our aim is to let people use good quality, practical functional kitchen cabinets and home furniture. Balos Group is your best partner in China.